What's up, y'all? We're back with another unboxing from NostalgicLore. As you saw in the last one, we bought the Toy Story VHS box that came with the deck tray already. This time we just bought the tray itself to go with the Goofy movie. Yeah, so I bought this one off of eBay. As I mentioned, I think in one of the videos, the only thing that has issues, as you can see, is really just this right here. Other than that, the inside is pretty solid. The VHS is good. There's no dents like on the Toy Story one you saw was down here. So really there's like no damage really to it. Maybe you might say with the closing, maybe not fully all the way. But I don't know how specific, you know, how some VHSs are. But overall it does seem pretty good quality. So we do have the VHS for a Goofy movie now, so if we ever lose power, or not power, or whatever, internet, we can still watch it on the VHS player. But anyways, here we go. So here's the box. Once again, they are nicely sealed it beautifully. And like always, these are going to be a little tough to open. Maybe not a little tough, but because if I had my kunai, which I should have got out already, that would have been easier. But as you can see, not see, but hear, it's not that bad to open up. The tape is nicely securing it, but also pretty easy to peel back. So if you do order for them, which I highly recommend to do, that'd be great. The only thing that was a little saddening was pretty much after I ordered this, I came across a deck box that was actually someone 3D printed. So you know how they have the VHS's trays? This guy actually made a deck box that's a VHS itself. So instead of putting the tray, you just put in that VHS into there. So I'm thinking about maybe getting that one too eventually. We'll see. I was going to try to do this nicely, but the other tape part is a little secure. So like the top part was fine, and now it's getting a little bit of a little challenge in here. So I'm damaging the box a little bit. And I think I found where I need to go for the tape. There we go. And it's stuck to the part that I was tearing off, and we should be good once we pull this back. So it shouldn't be much longer. It's a little longer opening because I'm unboxing everything. So here is the tray that they nicely bubble wrapped. So this tray is a custom order. I messaged them about it and was like, I want a green and red tray. They just had red, they had green, and I was like, I kind of want the mix because of the Lorcana, they have two inks, and for the Goofy movie deck, it's green and red. So let's see how this beauty looks. So bubble wrap, taking it off, and it is metallic red. Ooh, there's the green. So yeah, you see the green on that side. Mostly red though, but it like blends in a little bit. Not fully how I would wanted it, you could say, but in certain angles you do see like the metallic, you know. I think I sent them the thing because they had like one they had the color they showed me, and I was like, it looked more pink and green than red and green, you know. So then I saw this one, that color, and I sent it to them, and yeah, like a top view, all angles, I want to say, it's all really angles on this one right here. But regardless, could take out the VHS now. I don't know where I want to put it. Take that out as well. And now we have it in the tray. So now I just gotta wait and open up the the Fable box that I got and Trove, and then I can put those lore counters and dices. So we got the two sections for dices right here, and then you could probably put a lore counter right here, and then the cards are split two decks, or one deck and a side deck, like for side cards or whatever. Like especially in Yu-Gi-Oh, they always had that. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. make sure you go test out NostalgicLore again. I will have their link to their Etsy down below, so feel free to go order some stuff from them. They have, like they said, the VHS ones and then the solo trays. Not sure what else they have on there. I think those are the two that I saw. But hope you enjoy this video, and like I said, once again, go and promote them always. Take care and go watch them. Well, not watch them. Go see what they have. I mean, go watch to see the adding and stuff, you know. Anyway, y'all, take care. Peace. Sorry, y'all. I am back. I decided to just put them in the deck box in here, the cards inside the deck box, so you can see everything. So as you can see, let's see, I got the cards in there, and I got the dices, and here is the lower counter. So you might have to put the lower counter actually on top of that, like this. So that's how it's going to be. So you close it up nice and there, and there you go. You got your deck box. You can take that to you with the tournaments and so on. The VHS one might be a little bit better, just for the fact that it has a top that covers over, and then you put it in, you know, so a little bit more secure. So that's the only thing that's benefit about that. But if you don't care about that, then the tray will be perfectly fine. You just want to open, rip it, and go, kind of deal. You know what I mean? Anyways, y'all, take care. Hope you all get one yourself if that's what you like. Take care. Peace.